Hi everyone, it's Gina from Gina K Designs and welcome back to another 5-minute cards video. Today I'm going to be making this purple snowflake card featuring the Heartfelt Snowflake Layering Stencil Set and a gel pen. This layering stencil set is part of the Flurry of Fun card kit, and it's a 3-piece layering stencil set. To begin, I'm going to start with layer 1, and you want to make sure that you can see the writing down here on the bottom of the stencil that it says part 1. And I'm going to line that up so it's kind of coming in from the one side, and I'm going to tack that down with a little bit of pixie tape. You can use pixie tape, washi tape, whatever you have to secure the stencil in place, or you can use a stencil mat. My first color is light lilac, and I'm going to start by going around the perimeter of this first layer of the stencil. I want to darken up the edges a little bit and define the shape of the snowflake. Once I have that all defined, then I'm going to add a little bit more color in the center, and I'll be ready for part 2. My color choices were easy for this stencil because I decided to use our light, medium, and dark lilac collection. So for part 2, you'll see it's very easy to line up. And once you get it lined up, once again, just use some pixie tape and you'll be ready to go. Now my second color is the medium lilac, and I'm just going to use this ink all over the surface. I'm not worrying about any shading or any special kind of blending. I just want to make sure that I get some nice deep color all over the front of this stencil. I really love the way this stencil is designed because all of these dots and these pieces make it really easy to line it up, and it just looks so cute. It's so different than any other stencil we've had before. Now here I have part 3, and I'm going to line that up same way, and this adds more cute details to the front of this stencil. This stencil feels very circusy to me. It just has such an adorable look to it. And the fact that there's a lot of hearts in this stencil make it great for all winter long. I can imagine using this one in different shades of pink and red to create a Valentine's Day card. So now that I have that dark lilac on top, you can see how beautiful that all came together. I added one of the greetings from the Snowflake Builder stamp set that also comes inside that card kit, and now I'm going to add some gel pen details. So I always start my gel pen on a little bit of a rougher texture paper, and once I get the ball rolling, I'm going to start to add little dots inside all of the dots on this stencil. And you can see it just adds so much. It's like kind of like an embellishment, and it really brightens everything up. Now just a couple little tips. If you're using a gel pen and you have trouble getting it to work, make sure that you roll it a little bit onto some rougher cardstock first. That will get rid of any dried gel that might be in the tip. Now the tip of these gel pens is a ball, so you want to make sure that the ball is rolling. And if you press too hard, you'll prevent the ball from rolling. So just make sure that you don't press too hard. So you can see I added some disco ball sequins here, and there's my finished card. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's 5-minute card video, and I hope you'll give this one a try. Stay tuned to my channel for more 5-minute card videos and more Stamp and Chat live videos too. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you again real soon.